Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add payment method to your Temu application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Temu application on your device. Open the application. You will see an interface like that. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon. You will find it at the bottom, and from here you need to tap on the setting option here. So once you tap on that one, from here you will find your payment methods. You need to tap on that one, and here you can add a credit card or debit card to your Temu account. So from here, all you need to do is to enter your card number. You can either scan the card number. So here you can enter the card number, or you can scan it. From here, just tap on that option and you can scan the card as well, and it will autofill all the details on your card. But if you want to do it manually, you can enter the card number, then the month and expiry date here, then the 3 or 4 digit CVV code which you will find on the back of your card. You can enter it here. Once all the details you enter, just press add your card, and then your card will be added to your Temu account. So guys, this is all it takes to add payment method to your Temu application account. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.